take a look at the index. Okay, this is a STI index. All right, STI index. Okay, now let me zoom in. Let me zoom out. Okay, let me zoom out. Now STI index has been dropping how much? 9.7%. Okay, 9.7%. Okay, almost in the corrections zone. Okay, almost in the correction zone. If you still remember, I show you. Okay, if the index drop 10%, it consider corrections. Okay, right now is 9.7%, almost. Okay, almost. Right, almost. Okay, so if you still remember, if you attended my previous sessions, okay, I did mention that when the index was somewhere around here, right? And I also remind some of you to take some profit, okay, because the STI market was already in the what? Overbought zone, okay? When STI index was in the overbought zone, okay, what you normally need to do, okay, you need to take some profit, okay? So if you did take some profit during that time, of course, you know, you should have you know, have good profit for your bank stocks. Okay, but right now they are in the overbought oversold zone. Okay, oversold zone. All right, so when the index in the oversold zone, okay, what we normally do, okay, we are looking for an opportunity to buy. So we are looking for an opportunity to buy. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in. So here is the support level. Can I use this one? Right. Here's a support. Sorry, this resistance. Okay, resistance is somewhere around 3414. You might want to write down. Okay, in case if you manage to buy near the bottom, so that you can refer back to this STI index. If the STI index actually reach you know, somewhere around 3414. Then you might want to consider to take some profit. All right, and when is the support level? Okay, support level. Okay, there are few. Okay, one of them is here. All right, one of them is here. So the question is this. Okay, will the index drop further another 3%? Will the index drop further? Right, nobody know. Okay, nobody know. All right, so like what I mentioned, okay, if you are looking to buy near the bottom, okay, you buy progressively. Okay, you buy progressively. Okay, especially for those of you who like bank stocks. Okay, or you miss out the bank stocks. Okay, maybe this is a chance. Okay, for you to enter bank stocks. All right, but however, right now, okay, there are two scenarios. It could rebound, or it could go down. All right, so that's why we are not sure yet. So tomorrow, tomorrow is, I mean, tonight, yeah, basically tonight, US. Okay, US if rebound, okay, I think most of the time Singapore will be rebound as well. Okay, but the thing here is that will the rebound be continue? Okay, will the rebound continue? So that's why you have to take note. Okay, you have to take note. But however, by looking at this, what we call that, by looking at this STI index, okay, let me zoom in. What we call that, more details. So last couple of week, last 2 weeks went down around 9.8. All right. So you can see that some of the candlestick was so really huge. All right. Then after that, small candlestick, and today you see that the candlesticks, okay, was bearish. However, you know, at the end of the sessions, before the market close, right, in fact, there are some buyer coming in. Okay, there are some buyer coming in to actually, you know, what we call that, to buy up some of the stocks. Okay, so later we will take a look some of the stocks that, you know, that they are buying actually. So you can see that supposingly, okay, this is the candlesticks during that day, right? Supposingly, it looked like this one. But however, at the end of the sessions, the buyer are coming in, okay? The buyer are coming in, actually push up the price for some of the stock. So that's why you can see some of the tail, okay, occurring for this index, right? So basically, this is good sign, okay? This is good sign, all right? So it actually tells us is that most likely the sell down has been stabilized, and some of the buyers are coming in slowly, okay? They are coming in slowly, all right? And of course, like what I mentioned, you know, we are not sure whether the index will rebound or it will go down, all right? But again, like what I mentioned, okay, if you are invest for long term and you want to catch the bottom, okay, what do? Okay, you enter progressively, okay, you enter progressively, right? So this is a STI index that, you know, would like to share with you, okay, so that you can have, you know, what we call that, the support level and the resistance level, okay? And the other one is S&P 500, okay, S&P 500, okay. So in fact, S&P 500 also near the support level, all right? Also near the support level as well, okay? And this was the huge one, okay, which is pretty scary, right? So tonight also important, okay? Let's say, for example, tonight closing is important, I would say. Tonight closing is important, okay? So like what I mean is that if you see these bullish candlesticks, this one, so when the market open, the price actually gap down, okay? But however, what happened is that the price actually closed higher on that day, okay? So it's become a bullish candlestick. So what I mean is that if let's say today, if the index gap down, all right, okay, and if let's say the price close above the support level, I think you know, the stock market got chance for a technical rebound. Okay, got chance for a technical rebound, right? What do I mean by technical rebound? Technical rebound means that when the stock market is so oversold, okay, oversold, then chances are you know, the price will be you know, a rebound, okay? When the rebound happen, it could be due to this short seller, okay, cover their what we call that, short position by buying back the stocks, okay? Or there are some long-term investor try to buy near the bottom, so they combine all the buyer, and that's why it form a technical rebound, okay? So technical rebound means that you know, it may not mean that the price will continue to go upward, okay? You still need to refer you know, your chart, okay? For example, if you know how to draw the chart, I think most of you know how to draw the chart, okay? So basically, if you look at these S&P 500, basically S&P 500 are still downtrend in the short term, okay? Still downtrend in the short term period. So that's why you can see that the resistance is crucial, okay? The resistance is crucial. Let's say, for example, if the index managed to rebound, right, then this could be the resistance here. So you can see that the price rebound, okay, then it started to, you know, sell down, okay, it started to sell down. You can see that the strategy, okay, has changed from, you know, midterm to a short term, that kind of the periods, all right? So when some of the professional trader, when they make money, okay, in just 2 or 3 days periods, then they'll started to sell, okay, they'll started to sell, and then cause the price to come down again, okay? So right now we are near the support level, okay, near the support level. So that's why tonight closing is crucial, okay, tonight closing is crucial. So let us measure, okay. So index from a peak point, from a peak 4,820, the lowest was around 4,112. So this was around 14.6% drawdown. Okay, 14.6 drawdown. Already entered a corrections zone. Okay, not yet bear market yet for this S&P 500. Right. Okay, and then the next thing I want to show you is the Nasdaq index, which most of the people concerned about. Nasdaq Composite, right? Okay. So Nasdaq, right, 22.4%. Okay, 22.4%. That was the max drawdown. Okay, max drawdown. All right. So again, this was the bullish candlesticks. All right, really bullish. But however, the price still dropped. Okay, the price still dropped. All right, so you can see that the current market situation was really volatile. And if you do the what we call it, the drawing, all right, they are still in this short-term still downtrend. Okay, so you can see that it is crucial how they determines when to sell. Okay, so this is 1 point, and this 1 point, and this is 1 point. All right, so whenever they hit this downtrend line, okay, chances are the price will start to sell down. Okay, so let's say, for example, the price managed to rebound. Okay, so again, this might be the resistance or somewhere here, right? So this line is quite important right now. Okay, so this line is quite important really this time. All right, so when what we call it, when the index managed to clear above the downtrend line, then chances are Nasdaq might be recover. Okay, so right now still bearish. Okay, still bearish, right? So that's why I say tonight closing is important. Okay, tonight closing is important. All right, so this is Nasdaq, and the next thing I want to show you is Hang Seng. So Hang Seng is not good. Okay, continue to go down lower. All right, because last couple of weeks I did mention that last couple of weeks I did mention that Hang Seng got chance to rebound, but however, the price cannot be sustained and then continue to drop further. Okay, continue to drop further. Okay, so where are we now? Okay, where are we now? All right, let me what we call it, zoom out. Okay, so we have the support level here, here, here. Okay, so right now it's here. Okay, so right now it's here, right? So of course, if you look at the market right now, everything is oversold. Okay, everything is oversold. So I expect, okay, there will be a technical rebound in the short term. Okay, there will be a technical rebound in the short term. All right, so you can see that the resistance for this what we call that, the Hang Seng index will be somewhere around 22687, 22687, right? So you might want to take note, okay, for this Hang Seng's index, okay, for this Hang Seng index. Right. And next thing I want to share, next thing is what we call it, the interest rate, which I already covered, I think last few of my preview. So interest rate is not a big issue. Okay, basically interest rate will not cause the stock market to be sell down. But however, during the period of the discussions by this Federal Reserve government officer, most of the time the market will be volatile, okay, because they have not decided how many times they are going to increase in 2022 and how many points are they going to increase in 2022. So it's uncertain, okay. When thing is uncertain, then the market will react in the volatile way, all right. But however, once the interest rate has been confirmed, all right, how many times they are going to increase and how many points are they going to increase, when the dust is settled, then the stock market may be recover. But however, this will also take into the considerations of other bad news like the current war, all right. So this bad news has to be what we call that settled before the stock market can be recover smoothly, right? So right now the market is still uncertain and so volatile, right? And I also mentioned is that recovery is actually underway, okay? Especially what sector? The traveling sector. Reason is because that I think almost everyone of us, okay, can't wait for traveling. And even though the cases of the what we call that virus is increasing, but the government, what we call that, also take this opportunity to discuss with other head of the country to allow the citizen to travel between the country through the VTL. All right. So you can see that the Indonesian's country, the president has actually approved, allow Singaporeans or to allow Singapore peoples to travel to Jakarta. I think in next couple of weeks, okay, which already announced. You can check on the website, so you can see that this kind of the traveling will be what we call that slowly recover. Okay, will be slowly recover because right now they are still monitoring the SOP. Okay, because they don't want too many people travel at one time, so they also need to what we call that adjust the schedule so that what we call that the testing room has the capacity, all right, to do a test, okay, for those people who travel from abroad, all right. So so this will happen, okay. And when this happen, okay, then this sector will be recover as well, all right. So we can see that right now everything is selling down, okay, because of what? Because of interest rate, because of the war, right? But however, this kind of thing is actually started to recover, okay. It's already started to recover, right? This because this service sector, okay, has not been fully recovered yet, okay, has not been fully recovered yet, all right. And some of the sectors has been what we call it recover, like for example bank will be the first one, all right. So that's why right now they has been pulled back, okay, they has been pulled back. So again, like what I mentioned, bank has potentials, okay, still have potentials, okay, because we just enter March, okay, so we still have another 3 quarters, right. So that's why I think banks still have potentials. So US tech stock to watch, okay, some of the blue chip that I like personally, Microsoft, Adobe, Google, Amazon, Apple, okay, Tesla, and Nvidia. But if you look at these stocks, right, okay, I can tell you, okay, Apple is the stronger, okay, Apple is the stronger. So later we will take a look, Apple chart. If I forget, you can remind me, okay, because they Apple actually dropped the less actually as compared to others tech stocks, right? As compared to the other tech stocks. Okay, and why these tech stocks, okay, is because they are making good money, especially, and then they has been there for quite some year, um, and some of the company have what we call that, have a very good cash flow, especially Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Apple's. Okay, so these are the company that we want to to have in our portfolio. Reason is because that they normally they don't need money, or they don't borrow money from the bank, okay, to what we call that, to support their operations. Okay, so for some of the growth stock that still losing money and depend heavily on the debt, all right, so they got to pay more interest to the bank in case they borrow too much. Okay, so that's why you can see some of the growth stock, they actually drop somewhere around 70% to 80%, right? Like for example, C Limited. Okay, so these are the stocks that depend heavily on the debts, all right? And then they are still not making money. Okay, and this is a strong sector that just want to share with you. All right, energy still strongest. Okay, energy still stronger, right? So some of the stocks spike up. Okay, remember to what we call that. Remember your strategy, lah. Okay, for these strong stocks, right? And we have bank stocks. Bank stock turning weak recently. Okay, bank stock turning weak. And then we have another one is called P shipping. Okay, consumer staples. Okay, this stock flat. Okay, because they went up quite a lot also. So recently, because of the market weakness, so the price has been stagnant. Okay, has been stagnant. The other one is that aluminium. Okay, we have AA, and then we have mining. Right, we have mining. Okay, so these are the stock that are actually doing very well. Okay, these are the stock that are doing very well. Crude oil related stocks, and then energy stocks, aluminium and mining, they are actually doing well. Another one is copper, okay, and gold as well. Okay, gold as well. Okay, gold has been moving up slowly. All right, so these are the strong stocks, okay, in US. All right, and then Singapore, what do we have? Okay, Singapore, the strong one still the energy stocks. Okay, which I mentioned, couple of weeks. I think some of you who are attending my preview, all right, you know that these are the stock that I have been talking about. And RH Petrogas went up 10%, 20, 30 even, all right. So you can see that today they started to what? Okay, they started to sell down. Okay, that means overbought already. Overbought, right? Overbought already. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, if you are not suitable for this type of the stock, then don't touch. Okay, then don't touch, because there are some who trade short term. They like this type of the stock. They like this type of stocks. Okay, so bank turning weak. Okay, so opportunity. All right, and then some of the stocks previously they went up quite a lot as well. We have Excel Point and BRC. So later we take a look, the chart, and then we have First Resources, which I mentioned in my Telegram groups. If you are my client, I think you know. All right, couple of times, and then Bumitama also. All right, and we also have Wilma. Okay, recently Wilma, which we mentioned in our Telegram group, and then followed by Golden Agri. Okay, so these are the stock that are currently still strong. Okay, so remember, okay, the strong stock will become a weak stocks. Okay, like for example, AEM, UMS, and Franken was the strong stocks. Okay, I think last couple of months, but right now become a very weak stocks. Okay, So remember, what go up will come down. Okay, same thing for the energy stock as well. So that's why I say not suitable for mid-term, not suitable for long-term. If you are buying the energy stocks, okay, you must know when to sell. Okay, if you do not know when to sell, most likely you'll be stuck. Okay, you'll be stuck. So you don't want your money to be stuck in the stock market. All right, so you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful. Now, having said that, okay, this stock also give us an opportunity as well, right? Opportunity as well. Okay, the thing here is that the US side, the technology stock are still very weak, and most of the time the tech stock in the Singapore market will be influenced by the tech stock from the US. Okay, so although the price has been dropping quite a lot, okay, AEM, UMS, but the problem is that, okay, I think most of the problem that we are facing right now is that we do not know when, when are they going to be bottom out. Okay, when are they going to be bottom out? So that's the most what we call that concern part that most of the people want to know. So later we can look at the chart, and then from there we have some discussions. All right, so this is my watch list. Okay, still valid. Okay, so later you might want to share with me your stock, okay, that you are looking at, okay, so that I can help you to take a look. Okay, and of course, before that, I want to apologize to every one of you in case I not be able to, what we call that, analyze your stocks because of the time constraint. So I apologize to you first. Okay, so I hope you can understand. And bank stock, like what I mentioned, okay, still have potentials. Okay, so put this stock in your watch list. And then we have recovery underway stocks. Okay, we have SIA, SATS, SIA Engineering, Sembcorp Industry. Okay, still strong. Okay, we have Singtel, right? And then Comfort Delgro, still very weak. Okay, still very weak. And then Yang Zijiang, okay, rebound recently, which I cover in the Telegram as well. And then we have Yanlot, right? So followed by these BRC, First Resources, which I mentioned just now, and Wilma, all right? So these tech stocks still weak, okay, still weak. Del Monte, okay, is an interesting stocks, but very slow, all right? Very slow, might not be suitable for people who are looking for quick money. And we have some REITs, okay, which I monitor closely, especially Parkway Life, because the price has been pulled back already, maybe opportunity. And then we have some tech REITs, and followed by Mapletree, Trust, Logistic, and Ascendas REITs. Okay, so let us take a look the chart. Okay, we take a look at the DBS first. All right, take a look at DBS. So this is DBS. Okay, I already draw the line. Okay, and the line, and just nice that it was close above the support level. All right, it closed above the support level. All right. So again, like what I mentioned, if you do not know when is the bottom, right? So you might take this as a reference, okay? Although it's not 100%, okay? Nothing is 100%. You might enter progressively, okay? You might enter progressively. Because why? Okay, if let's say the price cannot be sustained, okay, it might actually drop. Okay, it might actually drop. Okay, so if you enter progressively, okay, if the price drop further, then you can buy some more, especially for bank stock. You can do that for bank stocks, right? But don't average down for other stocks that you are not familiar with. Okay, remember, okay, don't average down for other stock that you are not familiar with. Okay, but for bank, I think is okay, all right, because fundamentally it's a very strong company. Okay, So right now, okay, they are trading near the support level. Okay, so that's why I say tonight US closing is important. Okay, if they close up strongly, then of course tomorrow you will see that Singapore stock will be gap up. All right, but however, if the stocks of US close down, okay, lower, then what will happen in the Singapore stock market? Okay, Singapore stock market will be what we call it will be open lower as well. All right, but the key point right now is that right now the price is near the support level. So when I say near the support level, means is that okay, it actually gives us opportunity to enter. Right, it's actually give us opportunity to enter. Okay, if you still remember when you have attended my previous preview, right, when the bank was trading somewhere around $37, okay, do you still remember I asked every one of you, don't buy first, don't buy first, okay, wait for the pullback, wait for the pullback. Do you still remember these words? All right, because what go up, okay, will come down. All right, which is what happened right now. Okay, and right now the price near the support level. Okay, and if you are still worried, okay, then you might want to wait for what we call that confirmations before you enter. Okay, so DBS, okay, near the support level. All right, so we have another support level. If you know how to draw the support level, is this one. Okay, right, so based on the chart, okay, the price of this current price, this closing price is quite a strong support level. Okay, it's quite a strong support level. Okay, but remember what I say, nothing is 100%. Okay, nothing is 100%, right? But it actually gives us a opportunity to enter. And the other one is UOB. Okay, UOB, right? UOB. When is a support level? We take a look. Okay, right. So the support level would be somewhere here, and it actually near the support level, right? But it does not touch the support line. Okay, this one. Okay, so you might want to observe tomorrow. Okay, you might want to observe tomorrow. So let me plug in the moving average. We take a look. Okay, what will happen? Moving average. This one is a 50-day. Let's say we change to 100 days. See what we will see. Right. So 100 day. All right. So it also trading near 100 day. Right. So what will happen? Okay, let's see tomorrow. Okay, will they rebound or will they sell down? Right. So again, so the support, if you base on the support level, the support level will be somewhere around $28, right? $28. So quite close to $28. Okay, quite close to $28. Another one is OCBC. OCBC also dropped quite a lot, right? So these are support area, right? So it's basically support, 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 and right now support as well. Okay, so it's quite a strong support right now. Okay, it's quite a strong support right now. Okay, so we have these. You can see that the price during that time, I think this was the period when the Omicron was happening. So bank stock actually pulled back for the past 3 days, and then after that rebound strongly, right? So that's why I say tonight US closing is important. It will actually, influence the Asia stock market. Okay, it will influence the Asia stock market. All right. So SIA, take a look at SIA. Is 18 cents, okay, the sideway. So if you are looking for a long term, then SIA might not be suitable, okay, because if you bought at $4.80, if you didn't sell, then the price will drop back to $4.80, okay. So you can see that couple of times already, they dropped back to $4.80. So if you bought at $4.80, 1 year ago, the price is still the same, okay, the price is still the same, right? So you have to look at the characteristic of the stocks, okay, the characteristic of the stocks, and then you apply your strategy accordingly, right? And then sets. All right, so set is the one that I want to share with you, which I mentioned in the Telegram group. I mean, if you are my client, I think I broadcast when the price was $3.80. If you still remember, maybe you can check your mobile phone, $3.80. All right. So these are the simple, what we call that, a strategy, okay, to catch the bottom, okay, to catch the bottom, right? So you can see that the price actually rebound quite strongly, right? The price actually rebound quite strongly, right? When after touches their what we call that, the support level, okay? So and the resistance, okay, when is the resistance? Resistance right now is this area, which is $4.20, okay, $4.20, right? So these are the support level for SATS, okay. So you can see that quite a number of stocks has been in the oversold region, and then it actually gives us opportunity to revisit that stocks and then to identify when is the entry point, okay, when is the entry point. All right, so that's why we don't buy here, okay, we don't buy here, right? You still remember if you attended my preview, okay, we don't buy here, right? Okay, a lot of people buy when the price at the peak, okay. Why is that so? Okay, how do I know? You look at the volume here, okay. If you look at the volume, most people like to buy when the price went up, okay, and when the price gap up, they rush in to buy. And those people who bought at $3.80 and sell to them, okay. So you can see that the price, the volume spiked up when the price gap up, okay. And the other one is this one, okay. You can see that the volume also spiked up, okay. 所以你可以看到，如果股价已经涨了很多 ，OK， 尤其是 gap up 的 ，OK， 你就不要去追了哦。所以你要了解说，因为每一个股票哈，它的方向 ，OK， 它的趋势 ，OK， 都不一样。所以如果你抓到这个点的话，哈，那你就容易办事了 ，OK， 你就知道什么时候进场，什么时候出场。就不会被套牢 ，OK。在炒股票最重要不要被套牢了哈，因为在股市里面它有很多这个机会给我们操作。So So please don't what we call that. Don't what we call it. Don't let your money stuck in the stock market. That's what I mean. So you have to understand the characteristic of every stocks, okay, before you what we call it, apply your strategy. All right. So right now, again, okay, near support level is a opportunity. Okay, is an opportunity for us to enter. All right. But again, okay, although based on the probability, the setup is quite nice. Okay, the risk reward ratio also very attractive. Nothing is 100%. Okay, nothing is 100%. In case market turn against us, okay, what do? Okay, we set stop loss. Okay, we must set stop loss. Right. So in case market turn against us, okay. So this is SATS, SIA Engineering. Right. So SIA Engineering also near the support level. Okay. Right. So the support level 216, okay, is a crucial support level. Right. So this stock, you can see that the characteristics, okay, is a sideways. All right. So if you manage to buy near the bottoms, then make sure you sell when the price go up. Okay. So it is not suitable for those people who like to keep long terms. All right. So you have to understand also the characteristic of the stocks before you invest. And what else? Okay, Sembcorp Marine and Singtel. Sembcorp Industry, sorry. So Sembcorp Industry is still very strong, right? Still very strong. Okay. So so this is strategy that you what we call that, so-called short-term strategy. All right, because if you want to keep for midterm, okay, then it might actually give you some excitement actually. All right, because the price went up quite high already. Okay, so the support level is somewhere here, right? Okay, but chances are they will rebound, possible, right? Because if you do this, right, so that means it might not drop to $2.85. The price might rebound something like this. Okay, this is a scenario. Okay, this is a scenario because the stock is so strong. Okay, most of the stock drop more than 10%. Bank dropped 14%. All right, but this stock still very strong. Okay, when the market recover or STI is having a technical rebound, then this stock will rebound as well. Okay, so you can see that after you can see that this area, all right, pull back, okay, then rebound strongly. All right, so this pullback, little pullback, okay, it might rebound strongly as well. So this stock actually suitable for people who want to trade, for quick money. Okay, if you are looking for momentum stocks, so these are the stocks that you might want to, take a look. Right. So remember, you have to understand your objective of your time frame. Right. So that means, this kind of stock might not be suitable for everyone. And then we have Singtel. Okay, so Singtel also pretty strong. All right, it didn't drop much as well. Okay, so what are they trying to tell us? Right. So this was my previous drawing. I thought the price will actually go down, right? But it didn't. Okay, I'm not sure will they go down or not. All right, but look like look like the price will be hovering near $2.50 because STI index near the, what we call that, near the support level, okay, near the support level. All right, so Singtel still quite a strong stocks, okay, quite strong stocks. All right, and then we have ComfortDelGro, Yangzijiang, and Yanlot. So ComfortDelGro, all right, is a very weak stocks, okay, but a lot of people asking me these stocks, all right, but let me show you the support level. Okay, currently it's near support level, no doubt. Okay, so if you still remember, my telegrams did post ComfortDelGro when the price was here, right? And the price was 141. Okay, but however, the price actually dropped to next level of support 134. Okay, so this show you nothing is 100%. Okay, although you identify 141 is a support level, but the price still can drop. Okay, the price still can drop. So depending on whether the stock is strong or not. Okay, so ComfortDelGro is not that strong as compared to Sembcorp industry. Okay, Sembcorp industry is really strong. Okay, it's really strong. All right, so that's why depends on because everyone is unique. Okay, it depends on what kind of stock that you want to trade or what kind of stock that you want to invest in. All right, and what else? Yangzijiang. Okay, so Yangzijiang also near support level as well. All right. Okay, so if you still remember the telegrams, telegram groups, right? Okay, mentions when the price was somewhere around 135. Okay, so this is support level. Okay, this is a support level, and the price actually rebound. Okay, and this is the peak. All right, and pull back. So again, support level is here right now. But again, if let's say the support level is not sustainable, okay, the price might actually drop to next support level, which is here, right? So anything can happen, like what I mentioned, okay? It can be rebound here, or it can go down here, right? Yanlot. Yanlot also pull back, okay? So again, short-term uptrend, all right? Short-term uptrend. They also pull back, and it also give you what? Give you opportunity to enter as well, all right? So you can see that the price, when the price near the trend line, it actually rebound, trend line rebound, all right? So you can see that overall the price, you know, they move up slowly, okay? So the price actually move up slowly for this Yanlot, all right? And you can see that the price near the support level $1.20, okay, which is this area. And when the price actually tried to break out, all right, when the price tried to break out and it failed actually, all right, so the price now pull back, okay, so maybe the price will be rebound again, okay, so will they break out again? We are not sure right now. On that day when the price break out, then you know, then we will know. All right, so short term still uptrend, okay, for Yanlot. So we have BRC, First Resources, and Vilma. So I will cover all these stocks. Okay, later you have your own stocks. You can actually type in the Q&A session, okay? So BRC, we take a look BRC, all right? So BRC, okay. So still consider uptrend, right? But the price does not look nice anymore, okay? Because the price, the price actually break below the trend line, okay? So if the price can stay above, okay, recover and stay above the trend line, then that will be better lah, okay? That will be better. If not, then what will happen? Okay, we go down again, something like that. First Resources and Wilmar. Overbought already, you can see that, right? So if you attended my previous sessions, okay, this is what I have indicated. Buy. There are a few areas for you to buy actually. Price breakout from the resistance, okay, buy, and then price pullback, and then you buy here again, okay, go up, then pull back, buy here again, and right now spike up, okay, take profit, right? So this stock has been mentioned in a Telegram group couple of times, okay? You can check your Telegram group. So you can see that how I do things, okay? When I post, usually I use price actions, okay? I use price actions, try to catch near the support level and try to catch the stock that is breakout, all right? And the other one is a Wilmar. So Wilmar also rebound, okay? So you can see that touches the trend line, and the other one is this one, and rebound as well, right? So right now, what happened? Right now is a resistance, okay? Right now is a resistance, okay? So the price might pull back, okay? Touches here, then you buy here, okay? So don't buy now for Wilmar. So you wait for the pullback, okay? But anything can happen, all right? Like what I mentioned, okay? So will the price break out? Also can happen, right? Can happen. So there are two scenarios right now. So that's why you need to observe lah. Okay, you need to observe. Okay, need to observe. And AEM and UMS, or we take a look Del Monte first. Right. So Del Monte short-term uptrend. Okay. That's why I say very slow. All right. It's a very slow type of the stocks. And the key point I want to show you is that the stock is strong, okay, because it did not drop, okay, it did not drop. So I like this type of the stock when overall market is dropping, but these guys are still there, okay. I mean the price is hovering near the support level, okay, and that means nobody is selling, okay. That means it still show the interest of the buyer, okay. The buyer are still in, okay. They are not selling, all right. So that's why the price supported there. And we take a look AEM, which is dropped a lot. So when is a support level? All right. So in fact, $3.80 is a support level actually, but overall they still depends on the US technology market, okay. When the US technology market recover, okay, I believe AEM will be recover as well. But right now, the price has been dropping around 26%, okay, 26%, right? So the support level is $3.80, $3.80, right? And then we have UMS. Okay, so UMS, the price actually break below support, okay? Right, so that's why tomorrow is important. If tomorrow can close above the support, then potentials, upsides. Okay, there's a potential upside because overall, you take a look, what we call that, UMS, still consider uptrend stocks. Still consider uptrend stocks, right? So that's why this what we call that, $1, okay, the support level $1, okay, is very important. If let's say the price close below the support level, then chances are the price will go down. Okay, right? So you have to take note. Okay, you have to take note, right, for UMS. Okay, and this for Singapore stocks. Okay, we quickly take a look the US stocks. All right, we have DVN. Okay, we take a look DVN, the energy stocks. So this is a very strong stocks. Okay, overall US stock market has been dropping. Okay, S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq has been dropping, but this stock is still very strong. Okay, it actually did not drop at all. Did not drop at all. Right. So so that's why this kind of stocks, the strategy is short term. Okay, and if you want to buy now, for midterm and the long term is still too high. Okay, so what you need to do is that you just put this stock into your watch list and then wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for the pullback. All right, and then we have COP. Okay, all right. So COP, the price also rebound. Okay, the price also rebound, and overall still very strong. Okay, so energy related stock are still very strong currently. All right, currently still very strong. Okay, and it keep going higher and higher. Right, keep going higher and higher. So remember, okay, what strategy to apply for this kind of stocks. Okay, don't just simply jump in, wait for the pullback unless you trade very short term. If you are looking for a momentum stock, and then this kind of stock that you should get for a momentum trade. All right, and we have BAC and AXP. We take a look the bank. BAC. Yep, turning weak. That means you can see DBS, UOB drop, US Bank also drop as well, right? So where's the support level? The support level, I think somewhere here, all right? Somewhere around 37, okay? And then we have American Express. All right? So you can see that, what do I mean by don't buy when the price spiked up, okay? What go up, it will come down, okay? Right? So especially when the price, went up or spiked up sharply, okay? Chances are the price will come back down, right? So the support level is here for American Express. And then we have PG. Okay, we take a look PG. All right, I think still stagnant. Okay, yep. So it doesn't show really good anymore because the price actually break below the support level. All right, so you can see that the stagnant. Okay, and then we have Coke. Right, Coke still strong. Okay, the price actually went up. Okay, still continue. All right, this is Coke. And then followed by, I want to show you this stock, AA and AMR, aluminium. So aluminium, yep, very, very strong. Okay. All right. So we can see that there are some stocks that are still moving up. Okay. As compared to other stocks, right? And then we have AMR. Okay, AMR overbought already. So what is this? Right. So this is tell you, time to take profit. All right. So chances are the stock might go down. Okay. Right. So you might want to put this stock into your watch list. Right. So this is AMR stocks. Right. And then we take a look. This some blue chip MFFT. Right. Okay. So you can see that the price, are very volatile. Okay, very, very volatile. So in fact, the price, the support is here. Okay, the uptrend line, the support is actually near the uptrend line. But however, because last night they dropped so much, okay, so that's why tonight is crucial, especially the closing price. All right, if not, then chances are the price might go down further to here, somewhere here. Will it go down to 260? Right. So that's why I say nobody know. Okay. So if you think that the price is reasonable, okay, you might want to enter progressively. Okay. 21%, okay, maximum drawdown recently, okay, from the peak around 22, okay, around 22, right? And then we have Adobe. Okay. So Adobe also dropped a lot, all right, also dropped a lot. So this is a support level. And recently also pulled down as well, all right? And followed by Google. %16%, okay, 16% from the peak, 17%, is it? Yep, actually 18, right? So still very volatile, okay? So the support, actually the price is actually near the support level as well. Okay, so there are quite number of stock actually near the support level, all right? So it depends on what type of stock that you want to invest in. And then the other one is Apple. So Apple also support each year. Okay, so this is a resistance, right? This is a resistance. Okay, so we can see that the price, um, trading within this what we call that, uh, descending triangle, so called, right? Okay, and then we take a look Tesla. So quick one. Okay, so Tesla also hovering near the what? Near the support level of 761. Okay, 761. Okay, 761. So the resistance is somewhere around 894. Okay, 894. All right. So if you do the comparison from the peak, okay, from the peak to the lowest, 43%, and Nvidia, 38%. All right. So also near the support level. So descending triangle. So the price will move in the range now. Huh? Then what happened? Okay. We go up or go down. Okay. We do not know yet. All right. So this is stocks that I want to share with you. Okay. So right now, take a look at your stocks. Okay. So there are quite a lot of stocks to share with you. Bank can buy now. Bank can actually, if you want, because it near support level. All right. I'm talk about Singapore Bank lah. Okay, Singapore Bank. What is your opinion of the Golden Agri price? Golden Agri price Golden Agri, yeah, I think you wait for pullback also. I think you wait for the pullback somewhere around 28 cent. 28 cent. All right. OCBC support level point, which I mentioned just now. Okay. Actually, now is a support level. Okay. 11.30 cent is a support level for OCBC. So Excel point has pulled back a lot and sideways around to level for more than a week. How do you view Excel point? Okay, we take a look at Excel point. Okay, Excel point a bit dangerous, okay. So you have to be very careful, right? Because the uptrend line, okay, from May until recently, all right, now already broken, okay. So the price actually trading below the uptrend line, right? So most of the time, this thing will happen. We call it small fire lah. With small fire, you need to take some action. Like for example, in case you bought earlier, you might want to consider sell some first. Okay, maybe sell half first. All right, because the real fire is is really happen. Okay, and it looked like, for example, iFast. Okay, if you still remember, I talked about iFast. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you lah. Okay. So previously long-term uptrend, okay, long-term uptrend, all right, then the price break below the trend line, okay. So let me zoom in. So when the price break below, we are not sure, okay, will the price going down further? So if you are not sure, usually we take some profit, or maybe you sell half of the position, okay, and then what happened to iFast? The iFast continue to go down. All right. So will this pattern happen to Excel point? All right. Will this happen to Excel point? All right. The pattern looks similar, right? But we are not sure. So again, like what I mentioned, if you are not sure, you sell 50% of your position first, right? And then I mean, in case the price rebound, you still have 50% of your position. But however, if the price continue to sell down, okay, you already sold 50% of your position. So if they continue to sell down further, okay, go down further, then you exit all your positions, right? So you might want to consider. Okay, Sembcorp Marine, SEMB. Okay, so this is a speculative stocks, right? You have to be careful as well. So again, price spiked up strongly. Okay. All right. So this type of the pattern, you have to use short-term strategy. All right. You have to use short-term strategy. Okay. But however, there are few resistance here. Okay. Few resistance here. Now hitting resistance. Right. Another one is here. Okay. So depending on how you trade, okay, depending on how you trade, right? So again, nothing is 100%, okay? In case you enter, always set stop loss below, okay, below the low of the candlestick that you have entered on the day, right? So it's a speculative stocks. This stock already covered. ST Engineering, very strong. It's a chart pointing upward. Potentials pullback. ST Engineering. Yes, very strong, right? Hit resistance, okay? So when the price hit resistance, Let me see, will they pull back? Okay, we are not sure yet whether they will pull back or not. Right now, still very strong, very strong. Reasons because STI index, okay, STI index pull back 9%, okay, but this guy, went up 7%. So yes, it's a very strong stocks. Okay, will they break out? Okay, we can only know if the price break above the resistance, okay, which is 404, okay, if the price break above, right? So there are two scenarios here. The price might pull back or break out, okay? We do not know yet, so you continue to observe. If let's say the price breakout, okay, the price, the resistance is 404, so you continue to observe, all right? Exit Tech, long time never see these stocks, okay. Yeah, I think I draw this support level, okay, I draw this support level. So right now the price is near support level, okay. If you want to buy, you can buy actually, all right, you can buy actually, okay, but you have to understand when to sell, okay, you have to understand when to sell, right? Reason is because that support support here, resistance here, resistance here, another resistance probably here, all right. So you must know when to sell, okay. If you don't sell, then they will, come back down, all right. But right now is an opportunity to enter actually, if you want to. Opportunity to enter. You can see every time when the price hit the support level, the price chances to rebound. And the interesting thing is that the price actually move up in the ascending way, okay. They move up slowly, right? They move up slowly. So this show that the buyer are coming back for these stocks, okay. The buyer are coming back for these stocks slowly, right? So it's a good sign, okay. It's a good sign, but nothing is 100%. Anything that you enter, you must cut loss, okay. If let's say the price you enter tomorrow, okay, then the next day the price get down, all right. So you must cut lah, okay. Right, Aztec, thank you for telling me. And then Golden and Grey already cover. Starbucks, Chevron. Starbucks. Starbucks still weak, right? Okay, so still weak. So where's the support? Support also broken already. This one support. So right now here, another support, right? Okay, but it's a very weak stocks. Okay, chances are okay. So a bit tough lah for Starbucks. Okay, but however, the support level is here. Okay, support level is here, right? And this for Starbucks around $80, $80 for Starbucks. And then Chevron, okay, Chevron is a Caltech, okay, Caltech petrol stations. Chevron, oil, okay, overbought, okay, overbought, all right. So this is the breakout, okay. You can see the price really move in the box, right? Okay, and then breakout, right? And right now, is it new high? Yep, new high. Okay, so new high. So if you want to take profit, okay, right now the what we call that, the candlestick still very bullish. Okay, if you want to take profit, you can refer to these candlesticks. AMR. So can you see this type of the candlesticks? Then you have to be take note and take profit, right? So this is considered when the stock near the peak, the seller, okay, coming in to sell, right? Most likely, they have bought earlier, so right now they want to take some profit. So that's why this candlestick is being formed. Okay, so Chevron still bullish. Okay, if you enter earlier, congratulations, but you also need to take note when to sell. Okay, if you don't sell, what will happen? It will come back down. Okay, if you don't sell, it will come back down. Okay, so it happened to DBS. All right, if you don't sell, what happened? It come back down. If you don't sell, come back down. All right. Top Glove. Okay, this is the stock that this stock is a super downtrend. Okay, don't touch, right? But if you entered earlier, then no comment. Okay, because if you want to sell down, if you want to sell now, also too late already, too low already. So you have to understand what we call it, market rotations. Okay, market rotations is important. Market rotations means that how the fund manager move their fund from one sector to another sector. When they have made enough money, they will move their money to another sector to make more money, right? So these are the market sector that you need to understand, which I actually cover in my workshop. So that's why I encourage you to, sign up for my the workshop that I'm going to share with you in the later time. RH Petrol Gas, okay. Right. So if you are buying, then don't buy. Okay. Wait for pullback. So if you entered, time to sell. Okay. If you entered, time to sell. Right. If you want to buy, don't buy now. Okay. Don't buy now. Wait for the pullback. If you enter earlier, it's time to sell. Okay. It's time to sell. All right. Visa card. Right. So Visa card sideways. All right. Sideways a bit difficult to make money already. All right. But support level. Okay. So chances are is that you might want to take note. Okay. Probably they might move in the sideways. So you just need to identify the support level and the resistance level. Okay. Support level and the resistance level. Golden Agri. Hong Kong Golden Agri. Two three 2343. 2343. Golden Agri already mentions 2343. Pacific Basin, all right. Pacific Basin, time to take profit. Time to take profit, all right. So I mentioned about this top previously, double top already, right? So in the technical point of view, double top usually will show that the price will start to sell down because most of the time when they hit the peak of the stocks. So this is the sign that, you know, you got to take profit already. So don't wait. Okay, don't wait. All right. If you want to enter, wait for the pullback. All right. Keppel Corporations, should I hold Ken Chua Keppel Corporation? Keppel Corporation, I think time to take profit as well. All right. So you can see that the price actually stagnant. Okay, stagnant. All right. I think time to take profit. And then AEM now is too low. Okay, if you sell now, also too late already. So might as well you might want to hold for AEM. Okay. And then we have Ascendas, Iris, CapitaLand China, CapitaLand, CapitaLand China. CapitaLand China, do you have the code? Ascendas, I trust. Here is a support level. All right. Yeah, I think the REITs are pulling back and most of them are in the support level. Actually, I want to show you the Parkway Live, PRK, Parkway Live actually. So Parkway Live recently pulled back. Okay. If you still remember when I say when the price near the peak you don't buy, so now is an opportunity actually, right? So every time when they pull back, the price rebound, pull back, the price rebound, right? So for those of you who like REITs, especially the Parkway Live, I think now is opportunity. Okay, now is opportunity. Barrick Mahaten oil. Yeah, I think oil stocks, most of you know right now is overbought zone. Okay, oil stock, if you are holding, please take profit. Okay, oil stock, if you are holding, please take some profit. Okay, take some profit. All right. Barrick Gold. All right, also overbought, right? Also overbought already. Okay, take profit. Okay, take profit. All right, overbought already. Okay. Venture. Okay, last stock. Okay, last stock. Right. Right. Ventures. Okay, venture actually break below the support level. All right. It doesn't look good anymore. Okay. Here is a support level. All right. So that's why the support, I mean, if you know how to draw the trend line support level, it's very important, you know, if the price, you can see this part, this is a small fire, right? And small fire will become what? Big fire, right? So if you are, what we call that, waiting to buy, then you might want to wait for $16, okay? But again, nothing is 100%. If the price break below 16, okay, you need to cut loss as well. All right. So I hope everyone learn new thing today.